cross his first $1 million in net worth, and he has had the same dream since he was a child, watching helicopters fly over his neighborhood. His own helicopter, the freedom to leave anywhere from anywhere, to skip the traffic entirely, to arrive at a meeting by landing in a field and walking 50 meters to the door. Jake calls a helicopter dealer on a Wednesday morning and asks about the Robinson R44, the most popular 4-seat personal helicopter in America. The dealer tells him the purchase price, $480,000 for a new model. Jake has the money. He is ready to make the purchase. And then he makes the financial mistake that most first-time helicopter buyers make. He budgets only for the purchase price. And the purchase price is not the cost of owning a helicopter. The purchase price is the cost of sitting in the helicopter on the ground, doing nothing. The cost of actually flying it, of maintaining it, of storing it, of insuring it, of employing someone qualified to pilot it, is a completely different number that most people who buy helicopters discover only after the transaction is complete. And today I am going to decode every dollar of that number and show you the complete economics of helicopter ownership, from the person buying a Robinson R44 with their first million, to the corporation spending $14 million on an executive Sikorsky, and the commercial operators who are the only ones making the economics genuinely work. The purchase price spectrum that starts the confusion. Here is the first economic reality of helicopter ownership that most aspiring buyers do not fully appreciate. Helicopters exist across an extraordinary price range, and the purchase price provides almost no information about the total cost of ownership. A Robinson R22, the standard 2-seat training helicopter used at flight schools globally, costs approximately $350,000 to $400,000 new. A Robinson R44, the 4-seat personal helicopter that Jake is considering, costs approximately $400,000 to $500,000. A Bell 206 Jet Ranger, the turbine-powered helicopter that has been the standard executive transport for 60 years, costs between $800,000 and $1.2 million. An Airbus H125, the modern executive turbine helicopter preferred by high net worth individuals, costs between $2.5 and $3.5 million. And the Sikorsky S-76, the gold standard of corporate helicopter transport, used by heads of state and Fortune 500 executives, costs between $8 and $14 million. Each of these represents a different conversation about total ownership economics, and every one of them will cost significantly more per year to own than most buyers anticipate at the point of purchase. The fuel economics that shock everyone. Here is the first ongoing cost that surprises most helicopter buyers. Fuel consumption. A Robinson R44 with its piston engine burns approximately 15 to 17 gallons of aviation fuel per hour of flight, at current fuel prices of approximately $6 to $8 per gallon depending on location. The R44 costs between $90 and $135 per hour in fuel alone. A turbine helicopter, like the Bell 206, burns approximately 25 to 30 gallons of jet fuel per hour at a similar cost per gallon. And the Sikorsky S-76, with its twin turbine engines, burns approximately 60 to 80 gallons per hour, generating fuel costs of between $360 and $640 per hour. And these fuel costs are the most visible and most predictable component of helicopter operating economics because the numbers that follow, the maintenance costs, are both larger and less predictable. The mandatory maintenance economics that no owner escapes. Here is the cost category that separates helicopter economics from the economics of almost every other asset that wealthy individuals own, and that the purchase price communicates nothing about. The FAA requires mandatory maintenance on every civil helicopter in the United States. Maintenance that cannot be deferred, cannot be waived, and cannot be performed by anyone except a licensed aircraft maintenance engineer using approved parts and procedures. Every 100 hours of flight time requires a minor inspection that costs between $1,000 and $5,000. Every 300 hours requires a major inspection costing between $5,000 and $15,000. And at the end of the airframe's total time before overhaul, which for a Robinson R44 is 2,200 flight hours. The engine must be completely rebuilt at a cost of approximately $150,000. For a helicopter flying 200 hours per year, the time before overhaul arrives in 11 years, and the owner must have set aside approximately $13,000 to $14,000 per year in an engine reserve fund to meet that cost without a financial crisis. And the engine overhaul is not the only major scheduled cost. The rotor blades, the gearbox, the tail rotor system, all have their own overhaul schedules and their own costs, A rotor blade set for an R44 costs approximately $50,000 when it reaches its service limit. The gearbox overhaul costs approximately $80,000. And the smart helicopter owner budgets for all of these simultaneously by calculating a maintenance reserve of approximately $150 to $200 for every hour the helicopter flies, which is often more than the fuel cost of flying it. The pilot economics that most buyers forget entirely. Here's the cost that many first-time helicopter buyers completely omit from their financial planning, because they assume they will learn to fly and pilot the helicopter themselves, which is both possible and expensive. Obtaining a private helicopter pilot license requires approximately 40 to 60 hours of flight instruction at cost of approximately $300 to $500 per hour, totaling between $12,000 and $30,000. And the private license only allows flying in good weather conditions during daylight hours without flying instruments. Adding the instrument rating, the night flying endorsement, and the additional hours required to feel genuinely comfortable as a helicopter pilot in varying conditions can push the training investment to between $30,000 and $80,000. And the training takes between 6 months and 2 years, during which time Jake cannot fly his $480,000 helicopter. The alternative is hiring a professional pilot at a salary of between $60,000 and $150,000 per year for a qualified helicopter pilot, plus benefits, plus the cost of keeping their licenses and medical certificates current, which means that the total annual cost of Jake's helicopter, before it leaves the ground for a single minute, includes pilot costs that potentially exceed the fuel costs, the hangar and storage economics. Here's the cost that owners in many climates cannot avoid. A helicopter stored outdoors degrades significantly faster than one stored in a proper hangar. Moisture, temperature cycling, UV radiation, and bird contamination attack every material in a rotor wing aircraft with particular aggression, and hangar rental for a helicopter costs between $1,000 and $5,000 per month depending on the airport, the market, and the size of the helicopter. An annual hangar bill of $12,000 to $60,000 for a Robinson R44, rising to significantly more for larger executive turbines, represents a cost that disappears from most buyers' initial calculations because it feels like a detail rather than a material expense until the first annual bill arrives. The true cost per hour that most owners never calculated. Here's the number that reveals the complete economics of helicopter ownership most clearly. The total operating cost per flight hour for the Robinson R44 that Jake is considering, adding the amortized purchase price over an assumed 10-year ownership period. The fuel cost, the maintenance reserve including all scheduled overhauls, the hangar costs, the insurance, and either the training time cost or a proportional pilot salary cost produces a total operating cost of approximately $320 to $435 per flight hour. Not the fuel cost alone, not the purchase cost alone, the total all-in cost per hour, and at 200 flight hours per year, which is a moderately active private use. The annual total cost of Jake's Robinson R44 runs between $64,000 and $87,000, in addition to the $480,000 purchase. And for a corporate helicopter like the Sikorsky SAS 76, the total all-in operating cost runs between $3,000 and $6,000 per flight hour, making the economics of a private corporate helicopter comparable to, and sometimes more expensive than, simply chartering helicopter transportation when needed. The commercial operations economics that actually make sense. Here's the business model that turns helicopter economics from an expensive passion into a viable commercial enterprise. And that explains why certain helicopter operators generate extraordinary returns while private owners quietly absorb losses. Medical helicopter operations, also called EMS aviation, represent the most economically sound application of helicopter economics in the United States. A single helicopter EMS transport charges between $5,000 and $15,000 per flight to insurance companies and patients. A base that flies 2 to 4 transports per day at an average of $8,000 generates between $5.8 and $11.7 million annually, against operating costs of approximately $2 to $3 million per aircraft, producing margins that justify the investment in a way that pure private ownership never can. Offshore oil and gas transport, helicopter tours in major urban markets and scenic locations, agricultural spraying operations, and powerline patrol contracts similarly generate commercial revenue that makes the operating economics rational. The shared ownership model that is changing access. Here is the economic innovation that is making helicopter ownership accessible to a category of buyers who cannot justify sole ownership economics. helicopter sharing clubs, and fractional ownership programs that allow 5 to 8 co-owners to share a single aircraft, each paying between 1/5 and 1/8 of all ownership costs plus a management fee to the operating company. Reduce the annual economic burden from $60,000 to $80,000 for a single owner to $12,000 to $20,000 for each fractional participant, while providing each participant with 40 to 60 hours of guaranteed access per year, more than most private owners actually fly. Here is the honest economic truth about helicopter ownership. The purchase price is the most misleading number in the conversation. The true annual cost of owning a Robinson R44, the entry-level personal helicopter, runs between $60,000 and $90,000 per year, on top of the initial purchase, and the true annual cost of a corporate turbine helicopter runs between $500,000 and $2 million. Making the decision to own a helicopter versus chartering helicopter transportation when genuinely needed. A financial calculation that most honest advisors would resolve in favor of chartering, for anything below about 200 to 300 hours of annual flight time. Jake ordered the brochure, requested the financing terms, and then asked the dealer one question that changed the entire decision. How much does it cost per year after purchase? The dealer was honest, and Jake bought a very good car instead, and chartered helicopters 3 times that year for legitimate business needs, at a cost of approximately $18,000, instead of the $80,000 his ownership would have cost, and arrived at every meeting having made exactly the right financial decision. You have been decoded. If this video made you think about helicopter ownership from a completely different economic angle, subscribe to Money Decoder 3004. Every single week, we decode the economics of the extraordinary assets and machines that most people aspire to own, without understanding what they actually cost. Simply, honestly, and clearly, drop a comment below. Would you own a helicopter knowing the complete economics? Or would you charter? Tell me below. I read every single comment, and I will see you in the next decode.